We will guide you through how to save Photoshop as PSD file. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop and load the project you want to save as a PSD file. Once the project is open, make sure all of your editing is finished and that the document is ready to be saved in its current state. Before saving, check the Layers panel and confirm that all required layers are included, especially any layers you may need for future editing. When everything looks correct, open the File menu at the top of the Photoshop interface and select Save as to begin saving the project as a separate Photoshop file. Choose the location where you want the file to be stored, such as a folder that is easy to find later. After selecting the location, enter a clear name for the Photoshop file so you can quickly recognize it when you need to open it again. Next, open the Save as Type drop-down menu and review the available file formats. Select Photoshop using the PSD format, so the project keeps its layers and Photoshop editing information. Once the correct format is selected, click Save to start creating the file. Photoshop may display format options after you choose to save, so check the Photoshop format options carefully if that dialog box appears. Review the available settings and make sure they are appropriate for the project you are saving. After checking those options, confirm the save settings so Photoshop can continue with the save process. Wait while Photoshop finishes saving the project and avoid closing the application before the process is complete, especially for a large or detailed file. Once Photoshop has finished saving, go to the folder you selected and locate the new file. Check the file name and make sure it ends with the PSD extension, confirming that the project has been saved in the Photoshop format. Finally, verify that the saved file is the correct project and that it is ready.